National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kansas County in northeastern Texas, northern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Boone County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, northern Titus County in northeastern Texas, southern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hagensport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half dollar sign in northeastern Texas. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hagensport.
Shut up! Shut up! What is that?
For moderate. The current time is 12:06.
That's unbelievable. Marcus Peters comes up with the fumble recovery.
Yo!
National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Miller County in southwestern Arkansas, western Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, central Cass County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Children on that.
National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gary City, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Okay, whatever.
Source, radar indicated.
Just wanna activate. Okay.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Logansport, Kanawha, Joaquin, Huxley, Gary City, Stanley, Woods, and Paxton. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Panola and Shelby, and DeSoto, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Millett County in southwestern Arkansas, western Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana. North Central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Central Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just southwest of Charleville, or 11 miles southeast of Springfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Southwest of Charleville, or 11 miles southeast of Springfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated field. Antioch and Summerfield. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Claiborne and Webster. Close to the west area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons... A severe thunderstorm was located near Center Point, or 6 miles west of Nashville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Oklahoma, Narrows Dam, Halfway, Crater of Diamonds State Park, Delight, Antoine, Billstown, Alpine, Chalmette, Pike City. large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Pike, Arkansas.
That's a lot of stations.
Thunderstorm warning for Central Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Lincoln Parish, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
President of
At
Operations.
8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Homer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, p.m. Central Daylight, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Homer, moving east at locations included Homer, Lisbon, Spring Lake,
Try neutral.
Corinth, and Acre. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. The storm is producing large hail in Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a Claiborne and Lincoln warning for North Central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Central Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, central Nevada County in southwestern Arkansas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Fulton, or 10 miles southwest of Hope, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Bro, the battery almost dead already.
Damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Hope, Prescott, Emmett, Tarrytown, Ralston, Woodcaw, Bluff City, White Oak Lake State Park, Cale, Patmos, Sutton, Mount Moriah, Morris, Lindbergh, and Reeder. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Hempstead, and Nevada. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Miller County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just north of Ida, or 17 miles east of Ida.
That's a lot of stations.
Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just north of Ida, or 7 County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Webster are indicated. Louisiana, north central Caddo Parish in north Louisiana, northwestern Bossier Parish. Till 9.
Course of this week. Visit
And even when they say Atlanta, moving east at 40 miles. National Weather Service in Freeport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union Parish, southeastern Claiborne Parish, and northwestern Louisiana, northern Lincoln Parish, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles east of Homer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size
At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Farmville, Bernice, Duboc, Vienna, Lisbon, Downsville, D. Arbin, Mount Zion, Aiken, Bayou D. Arbin Lake, Corinth, Shiloh, and Unindo. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
Time for southwestern.
Kayla! Hello? Come
National Weather Service in Freeport has issued a severe thunderstorm
Yeah!
southeastern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, north central Western Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlotte, or 90 miles east of Springfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Huh? Excuse me? Oh, of course I had you on the wrong channel. Whoopsies.
Golf ball size hail fell in Spring Hill with this storm. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect
let's see
wind
who
damage
else.
to roofs, siding, and trees.
will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs.
42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh, I guess because of Webster Parish makes sense.
Damage.
The roof,
Same
siding,
station.
and trees.
Locations impacted include
Per hour.
JJ
Hazard to inhale.
Horny Lake,
and Karen D.
Source, radar indicated.
Prepare immediately for large destructive hail.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Haynesville, Shongaloo, Lisbon, Martin, Horny Lake, Antioch, and Summerfield. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Oh! Wow! Piece of garbage!
Central Miller County in southwestern
Come on,
Arkansas,
97.3.
western Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Cass County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Redwater, or 10 miles southwest of Wade Village, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Just don't hurry.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and outside hail. Source, radar indicated.
Okay, I guess no one's really.
Damage to vehicles is expected.
I kind of like it.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
Okay
trees.
then.
Locations impacted include Texarkana, Wade Village, Nash, Redwater, Maud, South, Garland, Genoa, Mount Pleasant, Downhill, Gym City, Pleasant Hill, Spirit Lake, and Fort Lynn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
What is wrong with you? This is your, like, fifth time doing this today?
And the following counties in Arkansas, Lafayette, and Miller.
Go pouches are a nutritious snack made from 100%.
That's what you get.
At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 90 miles east of Homer, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail at 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Quarter size hail fell earlier near Homer from the storm. The storm hasn't strengthened. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Farmville, Bernice, Cooley, Duboc, Marion, Lisbon, Downsville, Skimpsville, Lilly, D. Arbin, Antioch, Mount Zion, Oakland, Taylorville, Summerfield, Bayou D. Arbin Lake, Corny Lake, Cecil, Corinth, and Shiloh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
Broadcasting in Shreveport on 162.4 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook.
Yes, well. There it is.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern North County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, southern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Brunswick Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Tornado possible.
the storm was located near Bradley,
There.
was 17 miles southwest of Louisville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 2 inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Outdoors will be injured.
Include 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight.
Windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Atlanta. Southwest of Louisville.
Homer, Haynesville,
50 miles per hour.
South,
Hazard, 2 inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Homer, Haynesville, Cullen, Sarepta, South, Bradley, Taylor, Emerson, Shongaloo, Bussy, Canfield, Atlanta, Welcome, Lutton, Pleasant Valley, Gin City, Walkerville, Spring Lake, and State Line. This is a dangerous storm.
vehicle capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Claiborne. Wednesday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, and Webster, and Cass, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This watch includes severe thunderstorm watch number 287 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, and Webster, and Cass, Texas. Severe thunderstorm watch number 287 should remain alert for rapidly changing time Wednesday for the following parishes. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 287 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, and Webster, and Cass, Texas. And listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Union Parish, Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Lincoln Parish until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. 11:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Lincoln Parish, northwest of Homer, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ruston, Homer, Haynesville, Bernice, Sherwood, Cooley, Dumont, Junction City, Vienna, Lincoln, Scarsdale, Lilly, Clayton, Antioch, Mount Zion, Hillsville, Somerville, Spring Lake, and Corny Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following parishes in Louisiana and Lincoln, Union, and Webster. A severe thunderstorm warning Junction City until 12:15 a.m. Scarsdale, Lilly, Lutton, Antioch, Mount Zion, Hillsville, Lincoln, Union, and Webster, and Corny Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, Union, and Webster. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Union Parish, Northwestern Washita Parish, East Central Claiborne Parish, and Northwestern Louisiana, Northeastern Lincoln Parish, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bernice, just 15 miles south of Junction City, moving east southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect rain damage to roofs, setting, and trees. Locations impacted include Claiborne, West Monroe, Fairville, Bernice, Clay, Dubach, Vienna, Youngsville, DeArmond, Calhoun, Block Loman.
Did y'all turn off y'all encoder or something? Or something? I don't even know what's up.
Rocky Branch, Holmes, Shiloh, and Unionville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Bayou DeArmond Lake, Rocky Branch. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can get thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, Washita, and Union. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm. Claiborne, Lincoln, Washita, and Union.
This might be a doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lewis County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Cass County in northeastern Texas, southern Bowie County in northeastern Texas.
WSU-49.
Daylight time. Thunderstorm was located near New Boston, moving east at 60 miles per hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Come on, Shreveport.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
1 a.m. So this still has like 30 minutes.
Locations impacted include Texarkana, Wake Village, New Boston, Nash, Hooks, Redwater, Maud, Redwood, Nashville, Genoa, Leary, Mount Pleasant, Garminville, Spring Hill, Pleasant Hill, Red Bank, and Fort Lynn.
Located near
For your protection, move to an
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
quarter-size hail. Radar indicated. Source.
They still have an issue.
Remember, if you can...
Guess they failed.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Cass and Miller, Arkansas. The National Weather Service.
Come on, just issue the warning already. I'm sorry, a heat advisory? Wow. Why? Oh my goodness, whatever. Oh, it's literally. Oh, okay, whatever. No, 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 no.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Union County, southern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, north central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45
Webster Parish.
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
Or 11 miles northeast of Spring Hill, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail at 60 miles per hour with gusts. Expect hail damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Injuries.
Locations impacted include Magnolia, Spring Hill, Homer, Kingsville, Taylor, Emerson, Charlottesville, Smithland, Atlanta, Wexford, Macedonia, Welcome, Calhoun, Lisbon, Hugh Hope, Walkerville, Antioch, Summerfield, Wilkesville, and Three Creeks. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Large hail and damage rains and continuous clouds of ground.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia, and Union, and the following parishes in Louisiana.
Wow for that.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Millett County in southwestern Arkansas, Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fouke, or 15 miles northeast of Atlanta, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Atlanta. No damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Sighting and trees.
Oh wait.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, and Welcome.
You move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage and winds and continuous clouds of ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bossier, Caddo, and Webster, and the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia, Lafayette, and Miller.
Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Rose, Caddo, and Webster, and the following counties: